love you like that. Taking care of yourself is a love no one else could ever give. Exercise and eating healthy, that's the best thing for your body. Smoking and drinking will not help. Sniffing and drugs, you'll hurt yourself. You gotta remember to check your blood pressure. You gotta take good care of yourself. Nothing.
Good evening, my viewing audience. In with this week's edition of Health Matters, I am your host, Nevis, Senior Health Educator at the Health Promotion Unit. And with me today, I have our Junior Minister of Health, Mrs. Hazel Brandy Williams. Welcome to our show.
Thank you for the invitation.
Thank you for being here. Today, we're going to be speaking about breast cancer, and the Ministry of Health has a few stuff lined up for the month. And the Junior Minister and I will be discussing some of these things, or all of these things, so you can get some insight and also participate in our activities. So Junior Minister, you want to start off by saying the theme for breast cancer month this year?
Thank you very much, and it is indeed a pleasure to be here with you. As you're aware, the month of October, as busy as it is, one thing that stands out is breast cancer awareness. And we have come together this year as a ministry to sort of ramp up the information that we disseminate among our people, because we don't want persons to forget their obligation, number one. And secondly, we have seen an increase in the number of breast cancer cases in Nevis. And so it is very important that we bring the awareness, or bring more awareness to our people. The theme for this year is Give Hope, Save Lives. And that in and of itself is very important and should jog our curiosity as to why we should give more hope and why we should continue to save lives.
Right. Okay, so of course the color for breast cancer awareness is pink. Pretty in pink, we're always pretty in pink. So this year, one of the things that we started off with a week of a month of activities is by encouraging the persons to wear pink. You can wear pink every day of the week if you can. Wear pink at least once a week, and especially on the day, Breast Cancer Awareness Day is the 24th of October, which is a Saturday. So we are encouraging individuals to wear pink on this Friday, because that's of course the day when everybody's working still and stuff like that. So what are some of the other things that we have planned?
Well, this year we would have gone above and beyond, and like anything else, we are partnering with the Pink Lily organization, an organization on record that has brought real awareness to Nevis as it pertains to breast cancer and what we should do. And so on the 12th to the 16th, we will have a screening done, breast cancer screening done at all the health centers. And why we are doing a preliminary screening is that we are trying to see how best we can assist persons who might show some symptoms or some signs to have a mammogram check done. So in order for you to be able to get that mammogram check, you have to do the preliminary screening.
Okay.
So that's one activity. We will then partner with Pink Lily on the 17th, and we will do the usual walk from Pond Hill area to Pinny's Beach. That is a long-standing event, and it has been happening for a number of years. So we join the Pink Lily family and we participate in that walk. We are encouraging as many persons as possible, as many teams as possible to come out and walk in light of the disease and the awareness that we want to bring. On the Sunday, we worship with the Pink Lily family again at the Church of Christ in Charlestown Government Road, and we are encouraging persons to wear pink and to come out and worship with us in that worship session. Then on the 21st, the Ministry of Health and Gender Affairs will be hosting a forum, and the forum is called In the Pink of Things. And at that forum, we will have doctors who will do demonstrations as to how we ought to check our breasts for any significant change in a particular month. We will also have persons who would give their testimonials, as survivors who will give their testimonials as to where they have come and how they are doing today. And we are hoping to have a live stream from a breast cancer advocate who is overseas. And so we think that it's going to be an extraordinary affair, and we are encouraging as many persons as possible, bearing in mind that we have to take into consideration the protocols. We are hoping that if we can get NIPA half full, then at least we would have satisfied the protocols in persons sitting one seat apart, you know, from each other. So it would be a morning session from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, and we are encouraging as many persons as possible to come and learn what it is to live with breast cancer, how to check on it early, because you know early detection, as we always say, saves lives. And so we want to arm you with the necessary information so that you can go out and lead healthy lives and be aware of the symptoms.
Right. And also at the forum, people will be learning how to prevent the onset of or delay the onset of breast cancer as well. One of the other events that we have, we will also have, you will be giving a speech on the day, which is the 24th. The 24th of October, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Day. So you will be giving your usual speech. Yes. Okay, and then tell us about the mobile bus screening.
Okay, very good. We have a mobile bus that is equipped to do different screenings, and I must place on record our profound thanks to the government of Japan for donating that bus. This year, for the first time, we'll be using it for breast cancer screening. And what we will be doing, the bus will be going in the communities, and we are targeting those, I wouldn't call it hard to reach, but those communities where persons are just laid back and not really paying attention to too much, and we are trying to bring the information to you. So during the week, the 24th to the 31st of October, the mobile bus will be going into the communities, and we'll be encouraging persons to do their breast screening right on the spot. As I said, the bus is equipped for all this. It has a bed, it has all the modern equipment. So feel free to use that option as well. So if you are a busy housewife, a busy working class woman, and you were not able to make it to the health center, then you listen for when the bus will be in your community and you take advantage of this service. We are bringing the service to you. And so look out places like Cox, Butlers, Fountain, Westbury, Barnesgut, and just in the general community. The bus will be available during that week, the 24th to the 31st. Get your screening done.
All right. I like the idea of the bus coming to the community as opposed to persons having to go out. It's always good to, you know,
balance. Strike a balance. Those who can come to the health centers, come to the health centers, and those who can't make it, then we go to them and offer the service there.
And of course, the Ministry of Health is always willing to help persons who would have found like Good. And so so we have quite a few activities for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And one of the things we are also encouraging persons to do is to have a photo wall. So you're encouraged to put a photo wall at your business or your little department or your office. And you could just decorate it with pink stuff. It could be balloons, it could be little flyers that you stick on the wall. And you can take pictures, and you're encouraged to take pictures and post it to Facebook and tag the Nevis HPU Facebook page so that everyone can see. And that is one of the things we're encouraging businesses to do, because we always try to get the business spaces involved as well. So as a recap, the theme for Breast Cancer Awareness Month for 2020 is Give Hope, Save Lives. And the Ministry of Health here on Nevis, we are not only partnering with Pink Lily and other organizations that do sort of stuff towards breast cancer, but we're trying to create a wider awareness of breast cancer, how to prevent it, what you can do to treat it, you know, what you can do to help someone who you know is living with breast cancer. And so some of the stuff that we have the breast cancer screening week, which is going to take place from the 12th of October until the 16th of October, and we're encouraging individuals to go to all of the health centers. The only health centers that are not participating are the Cotton Ground Health Center and the Cotton Ground Health Center and the Combermere Health Center, but all the other health centers are participating. If you are attached to those health centers, you're welcome to go to the other health centers, those that are closer. We have the Pink Lily Walk, which is going to take place on the 17th of October. And of course, that's a big event, like Minister said, so we're encouraging persons to take part as they usually do. The church service will be held on the 18th, which is at the Church of Christ Church right here on Government Road from 11 a.m. And then we have our breast cancer forum, which we're excited about, in the pink of things. So we're encouraging females who are interested. You could just contact us at the Ministry of Health or the Health Promotion Unit and tell us that you'll be interested. And of course, Pretty Me Pink is the 23rd of October. Wear something pink. You could wear some pink from head to toe just to show awareness for breast cancer. And of course, we have our mobile bus screening, which Junior Minister just expounded on. So we have a very
packed calendar for the balance of the month. I want to add though, on the day when we are having the Pretty Me Pink, we are hoping to have an arch, a pink arch erected just outside the Ministry of Health door, and a pink carpet. And we are encouraging persons to come on over, get your pictures taken under the arch and post them to Facebook, post them to our Facebook page, so that we can see, you know, persons really, we have a movement of pink all over Nevis for that day. We are encouraging as many institutions as possible to wear something pink. If you want to dress in a full clad of pink, or you just want to have a rosette as we are wearing today, that would suffice as well. So we want all persons to participate. In addition to the screening, if when the screening is done, there are persons who might have some symptoms, we will assist them. The Ministry of Health will assist them in a mammogram check. So it is very important that persons do the screening, and then they will be assisted in terms of getting a mammogram done.
I like that. So this is the Ministry of Health once again. We're trying to get awareness out there. This time is for breast cancer awareness, just like we do for all the other diseases that are especially a burden to our health system here in the Federation. And so we're encouraging everyone to partner with us, take part, whether or not you can only participate by wearing something pink, or you could tell someone who you know needs screening. So we're asking that everyone participate as usual, and just continue to help us to save lives and lower our numbers for non-communicable diseases on the island. And that has been the end of our show. Thank you, Junior Minister.
Thank you very much for having me.
All right, no problem. And that's the end of our Health Matters for this week. I am your host, Shavani Nesbitt, Senior Health Educator at the Health Promotion Unit. And I was with Miss Junior Minister of Health, Mrs. Hazel Brandy Williams, and we were speaking about World Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is the month of October, and the theme for this year was Give Hope, Save Lives. The fruit of the week is golden apple. Golden apple has been coming out in the trees. We've seen a lot of golden apples, and they are also a rich source of vitamin C, a rich source of potassium and fiber. So we encourage you to get some golden apple this week, and that will be the fruit of the week for the Health Promotion Unit this week.
Who's gonna love you like that? Taking care of yourself is a love no one else could ever give. Exercise and eating healthy, that's the best thing for your body. Smoking and drinking will not help. Sniffing and drugs, you'll hurt yourself. You gotta remember to check your blood pressure. You gotta take good care of yourself. Nothing